A major problem, or you can say a major issue, basically came into mind to every investor or trader whenever they have to invest anything in the ICO or IEO. Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video, I will try my level best to elaborate between the ICO and IEO. What is ICO and what is IEO? And the major platform which will be, you can say, the more you can say the profitable for your business and also for your money. For example, if you are going to invest anything in ICO or IEO, which will give you more profit, I will discuss each and everything in this video. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. Now, first of all, what is ICO all about? Now you can say, okay, ICO has, you can say, the different names. For example, ICO, the main meaning of the ICO is initial coin offering. And you can also okay, it is basically known as, you can say, the self drop, or you can say public sale, private sale. These names are is equal to ICO, initial coin offering. For example, any project has their own website and they are offering you the coins that you can buy the coins directly. Okay, the coins or tokens you can buy directly from their platform. It means at this time their ICO is ongoing. Second thing is IEO. What is IEO all about? IEO is basically initial exchange offering. In IEO, basically any exchange which is basically giving you a chance to buy those tokens directly from the exchange. Most of the time, the main tokens which are basically on the IEO, at the IEO phase, if they are on any exchange, they will definitely list their coin on their exchange very soon. So basically, as per my point of view, IEO is, I'm not saying it is 100% good, but it is at least you can say 70 to 80% quite safe if you are going to invest in any IEO. Now I will tell you the best you can say platforms where you can find out all the major things, especially the best ICOs which are at this time basically ongoing. But the basic reason behind the you can say the major reason, you can say you can say the back foot of the ICO is very simple. In 2018, more than 2800 projects were there, the ICOs were there in 2018, but only 40 projects survived. And most of the project, you can say 2760 projects, you can say they basically scammed up or they ran away with investors money. So people are not trusting at this time to ICOs, because here you can see number of ICOs are available on ICO Marks. If you want to find out any ICO, you can find each and every ICO on this platform. Secondly, I will show you something more on ICO Bench. Here you can see number of projects are even available over here. So if you want to find about them, for example, first of all, I'm going to click on Universe Coin. Okay, I'm not saying that the project is not good, but the thing is this: people are not trusting at this time on ICOs, because in 2018 and in 2019, the main time, or you can say the mainstream of ICOs were not as much good. They didn't basically produce the results, so people are not trusting them at this time. People are only and only trusting IEOs at this time. And even most of the IEOs are not as much successful, because people just want to know the results first of all, that right now this coin is available on this exchange and the market cap, or you can say the volume of this coin is quite big. Then people basically invest their money on that one coin. At this time, people are not trusting any type of ICO and IEO. Here you can see each and every detail of this ICO and IEO, the universal coin, and here you can find out the website. If you want to see that one, you can even see, and here you can see the numbering. That is such a great thing regarding the ICO Marks, that every time they basically research by their own, and then after that they basically give the numbering, you can say the main score to that very coin, and then we'll be able to select this coin. That for example this coin is at this time the main token Universe Coin got the ranking of 6.3. So it means that this is such a good thing. It means that the whole thing, the social media, the idea of this token is such a great one. So if you want to invest, you can invest. The thing is this, I'm just going to tell you that basically right now ICOs, most of the ICOs are unable to succeed at this time. Secondly, here you can also see on the ICO bench, number of platforms are available over here. If you want to basically, for example, MetaHash, I'm going to click on MetaHash. I'm not saying the project is not good. Probably the project will be awesome in the future, but at this time the thing is this, people are, you can say at this time they they are not believing on the ICOs. Here you can find all the options, and in the ICO it is entirely very easy. You just have to go to the website of this platform, and then you can easily buy the token directly in your personal wallet or on the main you can say the platform of that very website. Secondly, IEO, what you have to do in IEO and how you can purchase the token in IEO. Okay, first of all, the Chainx, it is such a great exchange, and right now they are offering number of IEOs every day. Here you can find out the main IEOs, for example, sold out. Okay, and secondly, the Silk round, the Silk coin round 1, the P coin 1 round, okay, and right now Refolk 1 round. Okay, from here it is entirely very easy. You just have to sign up on this exchange on the Chainx, and then you have to deposit your funds, for example BTC, Ethereum, LTC, USDT, anything you have to basically deposit on your personal wallet address on exchange, and then you can easily buy this token. And when the coin will be available on the exchange or the trading will be live, at that time you will be able to basically sell those coins directly on their exchange. Secondly, I will show you something more that is such an interesting thing, La Token Exchange. Right now La Token is offering number of IEOs. Here you can see by yourself, number of IEOs are available at this time, which is at this time ongoing. And it is the same procedure. You just have to sign up on the exchange, and then you have to basically deposit the funds on the exchange, and then you can easily buy any IEO directly from this exchange. Okay, at this stage I'm going to tell you such a great thing that in IEOs you basically your money you can say the main thing is this, that your funds or your money will be safe, because very soon you can find out this token any token which is basically in the IEO phase at this time, very soon that token will be listed on the exchange. So that is a great thing regarding IEO, because in ICO basically the platform owners and everything, the owners and the whole team is saying that we are going to list on blah 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 exchange, but in IEO basically exchange is giving you can say 100% confidence that very soon this token will be listed, this token or this coin will be listed on our exchange. So you can say that your money will be secure up to 80%, but in ICO your money will not be, you can say, secure at that time. Okay, the last exchange which I'm going to show you at this time is basically Windex. It is also offering number of, you can say, IEOs at this time. Here you can find out all the IEOs. So this is basically a great thing for all the people to invest in IEO. Okay, it is basically my own opinion. I'm not saying that every ICO is basically a failure, but the results in last 2 years were not as much good. So that's why I'm just sharing this video with all of you, and I'm just going to clear this thing that what is ICO and what is IEO and what will be the more profitable. As per my point of view, you can say the IEO will be more profitable than the ICO, but in some cases some ICOs really perform well. Okay, you can see the main thing regarding the SNB token. Okay, SNB token at this time they did their ICO, they did their IEO, and right now it is performing quite well in the coin market cap. It is not about all the tokens, but most of the tokens after, you can say, the ICO sale, they didn't perform well. So it is my own opinions. You must have to research each and everything before buying anything. So very soon I will basically make another video regarding the best IEOs platform, and that will be great for you. Thanks a lot.